So welcome back to this training. So now we are going to buy data, buy airtime in this. We are going to buy data and buy airtime in this video. So you can click this place, or you click this arrow on top. This one here. This one. So it will show you buy data. So let's click on buy data. So these are the codes for your data balance. If you bought MTN SME, this is the code you will use. If you buy MTN gifting, this is what you use. 9 mobile this, Airtime this, then Glow this one. So let's say I want to buy MTN data now. So you click on MTN, you click on network, then you click on MTN. There are different types of MTN data. They have the SME, the gifting or corporate gifting. The SME is the one that is cheaper. So anytime you want to buy, SME is cheaper. So let's see the current amount for gifting first. So as you can see, the current amount for the gift, if you want to buy 1 gig in gifting is 480 naira. If you want to buy 1.5, if you want to buy 2 gig is 1140. So which is very high, which the cost is very high. So let's say you want to use corporate gifting now. So the corporate gifting now, if you want to buy 1 gig now, the amount for the corporate gifting is 235 naira. That is for 1 gig. Then 2 gig is 470 naira. So let's use SME, which is cheaper than this corporate gifting and gifting. So as you can see, the 1 gig under SME is 224 naira, 2 gig is 448 naira, and the rest 10 gig is 2240. Okay, so it's only MTN that has these 3 options: gifting, corporate gifting, SME. The rest network does not have it. So let's say we want to buy Airtel data. Airtel data doesn't have option for SME and the rest. So let's go to the plan. So under Airtel data, they have corporate gifting and the rest. So the current amount for 1 gig for Airtel corporate gifting is 207 naira. So currently Airtel data is cheaper than MTN, and the duration of all this data is always 1 month. It's only this 300 MB, that is 7 days. So the 2 gig is 414 naira. But if you want to, so anytime you want to buy Airtel, always use corporate gifting. Don't use a gifting because it's costlier. Look at now the gifting under Airtel. Look at gifting 1.5 gig is 950. But look at this one, Airtel corporate gifting, 1 gig is 270 naira. So just do the calculation and see the difference. Okay, so we go over to 9 mobile now. So one thing you should note that is MTN and Airtel data are the ones that are cheaper. So you can see now 500 MB under this 9 mobile is 440 naira for 1 month. 1.5 gig is 870, 2 gig and the rest. So let's head over to Glow data. So as you can see, the cost of Glow data, which they only have a gifting, is 1.8 gig is 463 naira, and it comes with 1 gig bonus, and the duration is 2 weeks. So, and the other one is 3.9 gig gifting, which is 3.9 gig gifting, which is 925 naira, and it comes with 2 gig bonus. Then 7.5 gig gifting, which is 1,388 naira. It comes with 4 gig bonus. So let's go back to MTN. So we are going to be buying through SM. Let's say we want to buy it through SM. The cost they will say to you 1 gig is 224 naira. So when they say 224 naira to you, you cannot sell this same 224 naira to your customer. You have to add your own profit. So you can either add, you can always say you can either sell this 1 gig at 300 naira, which most data sellers normally do. You can either sell it 300 naira or 350. So you have to put it within that rate because there are so many people selling data. So if you put your own true cost in, people might not want to patronize you. So this 2 gig, you can decide to sell it for 550 or 600. So you buy it at 448, then you sell it for 550 or 600. While this other one, you can use your own description to fit your own price. You can always fit your own price. This is just the price you'll be buying. So you can always fix this price that you'll be selling to people. So this is Airtel data. 500 MB is 112 naira for 1 month. So if you are buying this one for 112 naira, you can decide to sell it for 150 or 200, anyone you want. You can decide to sell it for 150 or 200. Why this second one is 124 naira, which you can decide to sell for. Sorry. So this is the Airtel one. So under Airtel, the 500 MB is 104 naira. So you can decide to sell it at 150 naira or 200 naira, any amount you choose. While the 1 gig is 207 naira, you can decide to sell at 300 naira or 350, any amount you still want. So it's you that will fix your own price. So I want to buy airtime for my other number. So I want to buy airtime for my other number. So when you, after clicking network, which is Airtel, so I want to buy Airtel network. So you put the number of the person you are going to sell to, the number of who you are going to sell to. That is this one. So this is, let me put my number 74. So I'll put the plan. I want to buy 500 MB, which is this 104 naira. So then I click on buy now. Then they said, yes, Victor, are you sure you want to buy? Yes. So they will now say if you enter your PIN, that means that PIN that you generated, that you created for yourself before, that is what you enter. Let me enter my PIN now. So I've already entered my PIN, so it's processing now. So let me just, so my transaction is already successful. You can see it, you purchase airtime for for this one. So let me click on the receipt. So look at this, they already sent me the details. As you can see, this is the receipt. So this is the receipt to the transaction I just did. You can see it. You successfully purchased airtime for this. So service. So this is, so anytime you purchase data for someone, you can decide to screenshot this receipt. Then you send it to the person as evidence that you have done what they told you to do. So you can see it. You can also decide to print and save it, then send it to you, or you can just screenshot instead of going through that process. I just screenshot, then you send it to the person. So the thing is that when you want to screenshot, just make sure you don't allow the network, the site you are using to buy this data to show, but you don't want your customer to know where you normally buy data. Then before you know it, you start going to do it by yourself. You know, patronize you again. So you screenshot your, so let me screenshot. So you screenshot your receipts. Then when you want to send it, you crop it, then send it to the person. So let's go over to airtime now. So let's go and buy airtime. Let's click on this airtime top up. Airtime top up. Or you click this 3 arrow at the at your left hand side. This one, then you click on buy airtime. So let's click on buy airtime. So we are now in airtime top up. So let's say we are going to buy MTN airtime now. So you can see MTN. Then you click on the number that you want to buy airtime for. Then you click on amount 1,000. Let's say 100 naira. So if you are buying 100 naira, Geodnatech is going to give you at the rate of 97 naira. That is 3% discount. So if you are buying airtime for 100 naira, if you are buying 100 naira airtime, you're going to be paying 97 naira instead of 100 naira. So they gave you 3% discount. So let's say if you want to buy 1,000, they also give you 3% discount. So if you are going to buy 1,000 naira airtime, you can decide to buy. You'll be buying it at the rate of 970 instead of the 1,000 naira. So this is the same process for the rest network. Let me see. So let's say I want to buy 100 naira. You can see the same 3 naira discount for all the network. So instead of buying, so any amount you are going to buy, you will normally have a 3% discount. So after doing that, you just click on buy now. So I didn't click anything, so I've clicked it. Let me buy it now. So you can see it there. So for buy it already. So look at it. They say I should enter my PIN, but I'm not going to buy airtime. So let's go over to the next thing. So you follow this process for all the network that you want to buy, any network you want to buy. So the next video I'm going to be showing you how to print your recharge card and how to generate your PIN, how to print your recharge, how to generate your PIN for your WAEC result, and how to pay electricity bill.